What's up, YouTube? So, bought some coilovers and spacers, and we're gonna go ahead and put these on, see how it looks. Alright, so we got the first one out, and got the coilover ready to be put back in. And so we got first side successfully installed. Everything looks good. So we'll go ahead and jump on the other side. Oh, by the way, I'm using stock wheels, so I'm putting the 10mm spacers on the front and 20 in the rear. And it comes with a little bit longer, 10mm longer bolts. So let's clean this out a little bit. There we go. Perfect. All right. So I removed the right side and got the coilover ready to be put back in. Shouldn't take too long now. Got the first rear in. It was a little bit of a pain, but all of them have been a pain so far. Then put the spacers on, and then put the wheel back on and see how low it is. Alright, so here's how it looks.